Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book, that is Knowledge World of Class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with our chapter number 12, and the name of the chapter is Journey of Crop Farm to Market. Now, what is the journey of a crop from a farm to the market? We will study about this in this chapter. They have given you certain pictures from sowing of the seeds till the selling of the fruit or the vegetable to the market. What all the process it undergoes, what are the steps it follows in order to get to the market, we are going to study in this chapter. So let's begin with the chapter. It says that India is an agricultural country with almost 70% of its population involved in land cultivation and the related activities. The following steps show cultivation of tomatoes from sowing seeds to when the crop reaches the vegetable market for the buyers. So number them in correct order. You have to number these pictures in the correct order. So let's now begin with it. So the first process is the sowing the seeds in a nursery. That means first of all you have to sow the seeds in a nursery. Then the next step is plowing and hoeing the field, यानी कि field की खुदाई करना, उसे उपजाऊ बनाना. Then the third step is transplanting the seedlings to the field. When the field is ready and the seeds have grown into seedlings, then we have to transplant these plants where? To the field. Next is the fourth step, and that is when it starts growing, we have to fertilize the field. That means fertilizing the field. Next step, that is the fifth step, is after that when the plant grows and it gives you fruit or the vegetable, you have to pick it up. That means picking and sorting the tomatoes. Next, after the fifth step is the sixth step, and it says it is the transportation from farm to the market. Next, we have the last step. After the transportation process, it reaches the seller and the tomatoes are at the vendor's shop for us to purchase or buy from them. So these are all the 7 steps of a seed from the process of growing to the process till the purchasing of the buyer, and then we are purchasing. Hence, this is all about them. Let's now move to the B question. The B question says that how much do you know about crops and farming? Answer the questions given below to find out. The first question is, India is the largest exporter of these plantation crop, and name it. So the answer for this question is rice. Next question, Sonalika is a high yielding variety of this food grain, and the name of this food grain is wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat, यानी कि गेहूं. Then we have the third question. It says name one rabi and one kharif crop. So the name of the rabi crop is barley and the name of the kharif crop is maize, यानी कि भुट्टा, जिसे हम corn भी कहते हैं. Then the fourth question, name any 2 vegetables which are actually the fruits, and the answer for this question is, the first one is tomatoes and the second one is lemons. This was all about the questions. Let's now do the quick fact, and it says rice is one of those grain crops that need transplantation, यानी कि राइस एक ऐसा क्रॉप है, ऐसा फूड ग्रेन है जिसको ग्रो करने के लिए ट्रांसप्लांटेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. Its seeds are first planted in a nursery and the seedlings are uprooted after 30 to 40 days, and then they are planted again in the field. So this is how rights gets cultivated. This is all about the chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.